Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics, where we teach you basic tutorials on games. And in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can get Lego skins in Fortnite. So to get Lego skins you can already get your skin and turn it into a Lego skin, but to do that you need to firstly head over to this Lego Fortnite game mode, and after you're in here you can go over to locker and select your outfit. So as you can see, all of my skins have turned into Lego skins. So yes, that's how you can get Lego skins. The other way is also that you can buy more skins from your shop, and those will turn into Lego skins as well. So that's how you get Lego skins in Fortnite. So thank you for watching guys. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also please let us know in the comment section what video you guys want us to do next, and we will simply do so. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.